Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Today I'm just gonna do a video of like new makeup that I got for Christmas, and I'm just gonna use it, try it out, see how I like it. Yeah, basically it's just like a chatty get ready video, getting ready for nothing because I'm going nowhere. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this, just keep watching. Ugh. Hello. This is the face of someone who has a child that's new. I look like I died, so I'm excited to look cute again. Let's start out with primer, and I'm just gonna be using like new stuff that I got for Christmas and around the holidays because I had a shopping problem. You know, Black Friday and all the sales. I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy this. Oh, I'm gonna buy that. And so I bought it all, and yeah, so I'm gonna use it. First, I'm gonna use this Smashbox primer. It's a little sample size. Shout out to Sarah and Kendall for getting it for me. And this, thanks. So yeah, I'm just going to put some on my fingers. I'm gonna put it on my face. And now I'm going to use this new Tarte foundation that I got. It is the Empowered Hybrid Gel Foundation. And it's like this. I tried it like 2 years ago and it was like amazing. And then they had a sale at Ulta over the holidays. So like me and everyone I know bought some. And I can't get it open because of my nails. I'm just gonna like put this on my face because it's like, there's like this lid thingy that comes with it, and it all came out like on the lid. So I'm just gonna dab it onto my face. Now I'm gonna use my beauty blender and just blend it out. Let me move my light. Ooh yeah, give me that light. Okay. Into my ears. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do it on my eyelids to like use that as eyelid primer because I like to use foundation. And then I'm gonna go ahead and like set my eyes just because I need to do that. So I'm taking my Airspun powder as usual. Nothing new, except it's a different color. I think I got the lightest color. It's translucent. And I just put that on my eyes. I'm going to do some concealer because I need to conceal some stuff. First, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Concealer in 0.75. I like it, but I'm going to use this under my eyes. Blend that out, and then I'm going to go over with like a liquid concealer. This is just for extra bag protection because you always want to protect your bags. You want to hide your bags so nobody can steal your bags or see your bag. So I'm taking my NARS concealer. This isn't really new. Well, this is a new one, but it's like my favorite concealer. So I'm just going in all the usual places. That's my nose. Around here. I just look so white. I need some color in my life. A little bit under my eyes. Oh, it's like practically the same color as the Anastasia. Your New Year's resolution might be drink more water. Mine is drink more coffee. Got my air spun in the lid. And then I take this fluffy brush and I like pack it under my eyes because I don't want any creases. There. And then I'm just gonna set all the other areas that I put concealer, and I'm gonna carve my brows. As I said, this isn't new, but I didn't get any brow product, except I got this in taupe, but that's like the same thing. Ugh. Oh my god, that's terrible. That was awful. Where did my talent go? So I got the Naughty and Nice palette by Kylie. So I don't know which one I want to use. I'm gonna look at the colors and I'm gonna decide. Okay, I'm going to start with Miracle from the Nice palette, which is like a peachy pinky. Like really light. It's like a nude color. And I'm gonna dust that generously all over the crease and anywhere I'll probably be connecting any shadows. And then I'm gonna go in with Macaroon in the crease and the corners. Okay, now I'm going to take Unwrap Me and a bit of that, and I'm going to put it closer to the center on each side, right here. I know that looks like a bruise right now, but it'll look good in a second. I'm gonna use the wet set because you know how it is. Ooh, which color? I'm gonna go with First Bite. This one, it's like got some reflex in it and it looks pretty. And I'm gonna use my finger. Oh my gosh, the way this feels is so cool. And ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna go back into Miracle again, like I did in the beginning. And I feel like the eyelid ended up becoming like all the same color. So I'm just gonna add a little of Wonderland, this maroony shade, to deepen the corners once again. And then to finish it all off, I'm taking Jack Frost, just a tad on my finger, and patting it over the center to really make that pop. Cool. And I'm also going to take that and put it in the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna take my Too Faced foundation powder and a big fluffy brush and dust off my setting powder, all the while dusting on foundation powder. So I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder contour kit. I had the cream one, but I wanted the powder one. So I can never find my brushes. I'm just gonna take this Morphe R14. My video cut out. Anyways, like I said, I'm taking the warmer shade and bronzing my face. So I'm gonna go back to my favorite, my Kylie palette from her Valentine's Day, no, her birthday collection. This blush, it's like my favorite, so I'm going to use that. And then I'm gonna go in with the Wet Set. And I think I'm gonna use Sugar Coated, the pink shade, on my face. I wonder if you can use a brush with it. I'm gonna use this end of this Tarte double-sided brush. Oh, that's pretty. Taking a little brush, getting some of that. Okay, so I did my lashes and eyeliner off of camera, and now I'm going to just blend everything together on my face. Okay, I think I'm gonna do Holly Berry Velvet by Kylie. It's from her collection for the holidays. And I've never used her velvets, so I'm excited to try the formula. Oh, this is a matte. That's why. Oh, can't read her tiny printing. I was like, wow, why isn't this soft? Because it's a matte. Maybe I'll just add a little gloss on top of it. This is the Butter Gloss from the Sugar set. Ooh, that looks cool. Anyways, I added that gloss. Thank you everybody for watching. This is my first video in like forever because I got a little distracted because I had a baby and stuff. So yeah, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.